Has sent a large contingent of troops to Russia for advanced training of the S-400 air defense systems. Sources indicate that New Delhi is in advanced talks with Moscow for procurement of 3 additional S-400 units, while discussions have also begun on the next generation S-500 systems to strengthen India's air defense capability. Viewers, so this has been in the talks for quite some time now, and India is awaiting further supply of the S-400 units. In the meantime, they've sent personnel, troops for their training to Russia, and of course there is also talks on the deal on S-500, the advanced system, air defense system, and also importantly this coming in ahead of the Russian president's visit. Ishan joins us live in the broadcast from Ishan. But a significant development, of course, coming in especially ahead of President Putin's visit.
Yeah, certainly. President Putin will be visiting us in December of this year. But prior to that, we have already seen that India has begun negotiations for the advanced S-500 system, apart from the 3 more S-400 system which has taken place today. India has sent a contingent of its officers to Russia for training on the S-400 systems. S-400 system is the system that during Operation Sindoor locked in and brought down an aircraft at an astronomical range of 300 kilometers, wherein an AWACS aircraft or an L-int aircraft of the Pakistani Air Force was downed by this S-400 system. And furthermore, S-400 is a missile defense system at various ranges starting from 135 to 400 kilometer range, and it has been deployed across the borders from India, Pakistan and China.
All right, thank you so much.
The S-400 system that we are talking about, which are 3 additional...
Go ahead.
The S-400 system that we are talking about currently are the 3 additional batteries, and these 3 additional batteries may come along with 135 missiles of varying ranges.
Right.
Back to you.
Ishan, thank you so much for joining us. There were details coming in on that story. Viewers, shifting focus to some more news from the world of defense. In fact, India's infantry is entering a new era, one defined by precision, power and speed. The shift from 5.56 millimeters to 7.62 into 51 mm rifles led by the SIG 716 marks a clear departure from legacy firepower. Sniper roles are now being retooled with .338 Lapua rifles like the Barrett MRADA, extending reach and lethality. This is not just an upgrade, it's a doctrinal pivot. India's infantry is no longer just boots on ground, it's a calibrated, tech-enabled force built for hybrid warfare. And every weapon and vehicle and optics signals one thing, that is readiness. The battlefield is evolving and India's infantry is bulking up for dominance.
The Indian Army's